Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about Aika Sedu app which is recently released 2 days back. Before going to the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get into the video. You can see the screen, Aikar Sedu app. This is the one recently Income Tax Department has released 2 days back. You can able to download from the Play Store, Google Play Store. Once you download it from the Play Store, this icon will be visible in your mobile app. Next, we will see the contents of the mobile app. So once you have downloaded the mobile app, you can able to see these 8 icons will be available for you. First is TRP at your doorstep, return preparation made easy, tax tools, got a problem, PAN, TDS, tax payment, and tax key on a game. We will see one by one now. First, we will see the TRP. TRP is a tax return preparer. Those are the people will be helping you to file the income tax return at a reasonable fee. So in the mobile app, they given an option like a search bar in Google. They given an option of searching it. For example, I searched in Chennai, so you can able to see so many peoples are available. Tax return preparers are available. You can able to select them and contact them. So this option is very much benefit for all the tax return payers. It will be useful for them. Next icon will be available for PAN. In this, once you are clicking the PAN icon, it will give you option of whether you have a PAN or not a PAN. If you are not having a PAN, it will give you option of 3 things. Why you should have a PAN, wish to apply for a PAN, and documents required for apply a PAN. So why you need to apply a PAN means, for example, if you need to deposit more than 50,000 rupees in bank account, cash deposit. So like that in various in income tax rules, we need to declare the PAN number. So they are given a very much detailed information about why you should have a PAN in this icon. Then if you want to apply for icon, you need to click on this. It will be giving more details how to apply the PAN card. And in third one, you can able to see the documents required. It will show majorly the name proof and address proof. All those kind of things will be, those details will be available in the documents required in apply PAN tab. Suppose you are already having a PAN, then you will be clicking a yes icon here. If you are clicking the yes icon, it will be directly going into here. In this icon, you will be having a 6 type of information. If for example you have a PAN card, for example if you have lost it or it has been stolen or somewhere the PAN card is missing, so you need to click on reissue of PAN card. It will give you all the procedures and for getting a reissue of PAN card. Say for example in next one, correction in PAN. In this icon, if you are clicking, you can able to correct the PAN card. It will give the various procedures also. What will tell, for example, Naresh Kumar is there. Okay, Kumar should not be in my name. Okay, so Naresh only the name means. In correction in PAN, you can able to easily correct your name from Naresh Kumar to Naresh and verify your PAN. You can able to verify whether the PAN is original or not, whether it is linked with income tax portal. Those things you can able to easily verify your PAN in this icon. And there is a rule, you need to link PAN with Aadhaar card. You can able to easily link with PAN and Aadhaar card in this icon. And if you have any duplicate PAN card, you can able to surrender it. So this very much useful for all the people, those who are having a PAN issues related in this. We'll go to next one. So you have seen a TRP and PAN related, and then we will see return preparation made easy. If you're clicking this icon, it will be showing 6 icons in this. One is filing a income tax return. It will show you how to file a return, which form is applicable for them. All those features will be easily available in these 2 icons. And calculate tax, it is like a calculator, income tax calculator. You need to select the taxpayer assessee, whether it's a 60 years or more than 60 years, All those things you can able to identify here. And if you see the check 26 years form, in this icon you can able to see the information of how much TDS and deductor on that. They given a detailed procedure on that. And if you are going for a TDS or traces span, it will be giving the option of two. One is tax deductor and tax deductee. Tax deductor means the employer kind of for salaried employees. So you can enable person who is deducting the tax is called a tax deductor. Person from whom the tax is deducted is called tax deductee. So those you need to select them, which is applicable to you. Then you can able to see you need to file a TDS return means you need to click on this. They are given a link of how to file and where to file the return. And TDS rate, if you have any doubts, say whether it's a contractor or professional, all those things, if you have any doubts on TDS rate, you can able to refer it. Same will be applicable for TCS also, tax collected at source. And relevant form, which form we need to file for the relevant assessees, you need to easily can identify here. And if you want to pay the tax, they can give it, they are given a link for paying the tax also. And if you need to any correction for the TDS returns, you can give the correction in this given the link icon. It will be very much useful for the person who is filing the TDS returns and for a person, so that because they can easily go through in mobile itself instead of logging in desktop. So next is the last one is the tax payment. In this, you can able to pay the self-assessment tax, advance tax, whatever tax if you want to pay, you can able to easily select this icon and calculate tax. If you have any doubt how much I need to pay a tax, so that in this calculate tax, you can able to easily identify how much you need to pay tax. And rectification of tax credit mismatch, all those things you can able to easily show it here. This video will be very much helpful, I guess. If you like the video, please like the video and share to everyone. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.